This is the Heart Throb version because it's Valentine's Day. Well, we're celebrating a day early since we don't load on Tuesdays. Our videos come out Mondays and Fridays, so we're celebrating a day early. So, happy Valentine's Day, a day early. We have $300 in the machine. We're gonna bet $5 a spin. Here we go. We wanna get 3 of those moons. Those diamonds are wild. Your first win, $7. 3, 1 more. Oh my goodness. We need 6 hearts with numbers for the bonus, like that. We need 3 more. Oh, that was $100 right there. The doves are the best symbol. We get 6 of these. Nothing. Ooh, miners at 500. Where are the rest of them? We're here in the high limit room called Enclave at Yamava. Man. Really like the free spin bonus on this one with the 3 moons. All these wilds turn to multipliers during the free games. Come on. Hearts, hearts, hearts. It's Valentine's Day. Ooh, some wilds. There we go. $17. Oh my gosh, 2 more. That one was $250. You are breaking my heart. Come on. You can do it, Heart Throb. Show me some love. Ah. $11. Oh my goodness. 3 more. Alright, box of chocolates. $12. Exactly at 200. Down 100. Alright, we have a nice little winning streak here. Is it bonus time yet? Oh. No, not yet. $6.50. Doves. Oh man. Oh, I want that bonus. 3 moons. Oh my gosh, I thought it passed by and I thought we didn't get it, but hey, that last reel came through. Okay, I said I wanted this bonus because this bonus can be so sweet. We can line up the multipliers. Now, okay, here we go, you guys. We have 6 free games. Multipliers everywhere. Diamonds everywhere. Yes, yes. Okay. Got some chocolate, some 10, some doves. We're at $44. Ooh, you could be triggered too. Oh man. Diamonds, diamonds. Don't waste those multipliers, please. We have 2 more spins. Oh! We could have re-triggered. Last spin. Okay, what do we line up? The queens, okay. Not a huge win. Okay, it's like 20x. Literally 20x. Right? No, that's not even 20x. That's like 16x. Sorry. Alright, well, let's keep going. We're down 50 bucks, so it's not bad, but back-to-back bonus would have been awesome. Ooh, let's get those hearts now. That's some roses. The lovely roses. Hey, show us some love. Hit that subscribe button, huh? Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. A nice one. Oh, come on. 3 more. Let's go. Wild. $3. All the way across. Oh. Got some roses. $14. We're hovering right over at 200. Need some big wins right now. Three more? Oh. One more bonus, please. Oh, wow. Wasted wilds, man. Well, oof.
Right here, come on.
We're gonna get it, right? Two more! We finally got it! Oh my goodness. Well, 25, 20, 10. Some bigger numbers would be very sweet. Here we go. Minis at 100, minors at 500, majors at 5,400. The grand prize, $81,000. Oh my goodness, are you serious? No! Well, that was mean. Definitely no love. $70 bonus. 12x win. Terrible. Wow, we're at 194. Again, hovering right around $200. Back to back? No. Ooh, 3 more. Oh. Yeah, we need another bonus to make up for that the bitterness in my mouth. 3 more. 3 more. Come on. Oh my goodness, wasted. Another wasted set of wasted wild. My goodness. Come on. Oh my goodness. Here's that $250 heart again. With missing friends. All the way across. Oh, it didn't. $8. Doves for 3. Come on. Can we make this a good Valentine's Day? Bonus, please. $250. 12 more spin. Whoa! Wish that was in the bonus. That would have been huge. All right, we got some Tiffany box, sort of. Box of chocolate. Okay, let's see how much we won. 50 bucks? Oh, 35. Oh, okay. Wow. Not as much as I thought. Come on, Heart Throb. Oh. Got a $100 mini going by. Okay. A lot of 9s for 18 bucks. Ah, we have about 10 more spins. Just turn it around. Oh. Oh, $100 mini. Come on, Heart Throb. 6 spins left. Two more. Oh. Man, last 2 spins, you guys. Man. Wow. Last spin. Wow. Well, unfortunately, Heart Throb didn't show us any love today, but that's okay. We'll come back. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.